Today I am going to tell you the basics of abacus. So for that your abacus should be cleaned. If it is not cleaned, then you can clean it like this and the bottom beads like this. Then I will tell you how to hold the abacus. So for that you have to keep your finger like this, two fingers together and two fingers together like this, and hold the abacus like this, and two fingers should not be touched with the abacus. Now the right hand. For the right hand you have to hold the pencil from the two fingers and hold the abacus. So this is how you have to hold the abacus. Now I will tell you about the beads. So this is the ones place. Here you can see the dot here. So this is the ones place. It's the tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and so on. Now on the ones place, the bottom bead is 1. Now this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Like this. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on from here. So now if any of the beads is not touched with the abacus, that means this is 0. So now I will tell you about the upper beads. So this bead, this upper bead at the ones place is for 5, and all the beads at the upper side are the multiple of 5. So this is 50, this is 500, this is 5000 and so on from here. So from the ones place, the right side is of decimal places. If we pull these beads together, that means this is 6, because 5, this is of 5 and this is of 1. That means together they are 6, because 5 plus 1 is 6. Now if you want to show 7 here, then this is 7 and this is 8, this is 9, because 5 plus 4 is 9. So now if you do like this, then it is 15, because this is tens place 10 and this is 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And while doing calculations, you have to keep your hand always like this in the positions that I have told you earlier. So you have to do it like this, this, and the upper beads will be from this index finger, and the lower beads will be touched from the thumb, and tens place will be from the left hand index finger like this, and 50 will be from this. So this is all for today's video. The adding of the single digits number I will tell you in the next video. So if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.